Hello, this is a real quick tutorial on how to make a PowerPoint presentation into a video. I would say before you begin, make sure that you start with all of your notes and anything you want to include into your presentation. Speaking notes, pictures, graphics. I haven't figured out yet how to import a letter or something like that, but you can take a snip of a letter and make it into a JPEG and have that as something you can put on your presentation. Yes, so have all of that ready. Remember, less is more. So if you fill up a whole entire page of text, they're probably not going to read that. It's better to have the text in your notes and read that with a little bit of a, an example of what you want to present, maybe a graphic and then some bullet points, and start it that way. And so the first thing you do is you open PowerPoint. So follow the blue arrows that I've put on these slides. So when you open PowerPoint, you will come to the home page. And on this home page, you can start your new presentation with a blank presentation, or you can go to the little blue arrow, if you see right there, to more themes, and you can create something, more elaborate or something simple, or anything you want, really. It gives you a lot of designs to choose from. Okay, and this is what happens when when you choose a blank presentation. So I chose a blank presentation. I typed in Collins Management. As you can see by the blue arrows on top, I would insert pictures if I wanted, like the logo or something. The blue arrow to the right, it gives you design ideas, which are really awesome, because look at all the design ideas. It takes what you've written and kind of puts it into another theme that makes it very cool to use. And this is actually the best part of this, is you could record your entire presentation. So again, follow the blue arrows. You can see you would click slideshow, and while it wouldn't allow me to make a snip of the slideshow screen, it's very, very easy to follow. Once you do it, you'll understand. You would hit record slideshow with the other blue arrow that's pointing left. You would click that and it'll bring up your first slide, or it may say, do you want to start from this slide or from the beginning? So you would start from the beginning, and the top left-hand corner, it gives you 3 buttons. It gives you a record button, a stop button, or a replay button. So you can choose from how you want to record this. So again, follow your notes. You hit record, you say what you have to say, you hit stop. Then you listen to it, you replay it. If it's not something you like, re-record it. It makes it very, very versatile in making your presentation clear and concise. Lastly, I want to show you how to make a video out of your presentation. I would just say experiment with it. It's a wonderful application. So you would go, once you're finished and you've created all your slides and any of the graphics you want to include and the things you want to say, after you've recorded everything, you would go to the File button, go down to Export, where the blue arrow is showing you right there, and then the next blue arrow says Create a Video. The next blue arrow is Create Video. So you'd have to do, you want to make sure you're on the export side, that you're hitting Create a Video, and then under Create Video, it's going to ask you those questions. I don't touch that stuff. I just press the button Create Video, and it takes a few minutes because it basically turns it into an MP3 and saves it to your desktop or to your folder, probably to your folder. And once that's done, then you have an MP3 movie. It's very different than the Zoom. So remember, right click is your friend. Anytime you ever are inside the application, you right click. There are all different kinds of design ideas that will come up. I would say play with it, have fun with it, and if you have any questions at all, ask Sue. Thanks.